How to add arrows to lines in Canva. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can easily go ahead and add arrows to the lines that you create on Canva. So what we're going to do is we're going to go on any design that we want to add arrows to. And when we go on to our design, what you're simply going to do over here is you're going to go into the elements section. And in the elements section, you're going to find where it says lines. Okay. Now, this is a really easy process because all you're going to need to do is just change one little setting of the line. Okay, so here we have lines. We're going to take these. Now you already get arrows inbuilt in the templates, but if let's say you add a line and you choose to turn this into an arrow, what you're going to do is you're going to click on the line. You're going to come here where it says line end. Okay, so you can either add a line from here. Okay, so once you click on line end, here you can see you get a simple lined arrow, you get a full bolted arrow, so it depends on you. So we're going to click on it and look at that. The line has now turned into an arrow, and you can obviously go ahead and change this to this arrow as well, whatever you require. So that is how you can add arrows to lines in Canva. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.